Hi everyone, I'm Anup from Team Inlens AI, and this is the investment and mergers and acquisition intelligence platform, which we are calling it as a equity research desk, and it is for built for the G42 Agentathon use case number 10. And I'll go through the demo itself, where I have a recorded demo. I'll play, and we have a, as you can see from the uh, from the platform, there are three canvases. One is called the investment, and then we have a M&A, which stands for the mergers and an acquisition, and then we have a deal room. The left trial shows the fresh S4 filings pulled from the Edgar every few minutes, and I will type here Amazon and June 7th as a point in time. And as you can see, uh, the orchestrator just kicked off when I ran the analysis, and there are kind of like 11 agents. One of them is the market analyst. Are all It is kind of like going through fetching market data, parsing the all the 10K reports, and all the source of truth while analyzing will appear on the right hand side of the panel. And then there will be a few of the agents called bull and bear debate, then the trader, then three headed risk committee, and then the PM and the recommender. Every chip on the screen will light up its agents emits an event. Now if you see, the every emissions goes through a structured trace line when we were going through, and where agent name, action, target, agent confidence all were there. And this is the final verdict of for Amazon. It is kind of like hold, and the reconcile verdict backs, so shows that the dual stage agreement, strong conviction with hold direction, and moderate implementation risk. Below is the kind of like a return alignment panel, and this is the like live news. If you can just click and see what's going on. And the alignment panel is kind of like the real maths where no LLM, and it's a computed from all the metrics like sharp, max drawdown, and all those things using the numpy itself and the formulas itself. Now it's an index that we are using is SPY, and this is all the graphs is being fetched from the Yahoo Finance. Every thing is being well cited where it has been fetched from. Then the recommendations is kind of like writes the final cited answer. Every claim ties with the doc ID, page, and snippet. The IC chair can drill from any sentence in the IC memo straight into the 10K page also. And we can download the in the thing. Analysts also have its verdict. Bull and bear research, they have a verdict, and research synthesis also have some verdict. As we go down, this is the comparable of given an Amazon stock, how it is compared to the its peers, and these are the different metrics that we are comparing against, and it is fetched from the well cited answers which we can click and see. Now another here important thing is like the source of citations. uh, the Clicking a citation, I'll see clicking a citation chips open a source model actual filing text the agent is grounded on. It's a vision parse page by page from the Edgar. We are using our own patent of banana paper which we have published in order to do indexing and the extraction of information. So this is all about the kind of like the investment thing. We can also click on the mergers and acquisitions, where we have a target tickers and the acquirer and a point in time date, and we can run the analysis in order to go through the details. And here the valuation agent loads the data, and 18 there are real public M&A deals are also we have there in from fetch from the Edgar. But at the same time they can once they click the agent, different agents will analyze the internet, and especially Yahoo Finance and the Edgar, to see what are the evidence that is present, and based on that they can give a verdict about it. Moving ahead on this, Here is the diligence or the deal room. It's kind of like workbench. Every stage is the same, kind of like uh, uh, here the first stage is the document upload, where we can either fetch from the ticker itself from the Edgar, like we don't, and there are different 10k 10q, all things are present, or you can just click on the any real deal, and that will upload the corresponding documents. And this is the recent version, where what are the S4 merges registration that is happened till today, as of today on the Edgar, and we are fetching it every minute. If something is new add up, it will show here. And if we click any of this, and there are S4 mergers, then it will upload the different documents, as you can see here. Or if we don't like anything, then we can upload our own PDF documents in the upload deal documents, and it will parse it using our banana method, which is our research paper. And then all the indexing will also happens according to the banana paper. Like here there are three documents of BANR, which is a banner corp. And I have in this demo I'll go through this only. Like I have clicked on the S4 mergers on the 3rd of June, and they have uploaded. And if you see how many the parts marked down, it's around 285, which happens around a matter of seconds, all this extractions indexing. So it's quite fast, and we are not using vector indexing, we are using the our banana based indexing, which is based on the page index. Now there are different compliance or the diligence that we can run. It will show like which is also editable in nature. If we go, like it has scored 20 out of 100, and if we just hover about the question mark, it will show how it has been computed. At the same time, we are giving flexibility to the user to add whatever is missing and how much weightage that it wants to give. And this is how editable, and the workflow is kind of editable with a good user experience, where user can edit things in order to determine. um, and there are different legal ways due diligence that we can run, and different citations if something is given. Like here it has given that if the merger consummated based on this, and it has been fetched from page number 3 of BNR. So everything is well cited, there is no as such hallucinations. If it is, there is no answers to be retrieved from, then it will not show any evidence about it. Then we have a IC committee, which is the different IC questions that we people, and all things are kind of like editable to the user can have the flexibility to design this workflow. And we can also have a cross deal search around it. Now coming to the matrix is like we have uploaded, let's say, different documents, and we can ask some questions, either ask the AI to add certain questions. Like I have here asked like suggest more questions, and we have clicked it, and all the cells are running in parallel as a workflow. There are 5 stages workflow. This question has been down into subqueries, and all the cells run in parallel, all the agents run in parallel. There is no as such one cell answer is computed and not. And user can also ask the diligence matrix any kind of questions of their own. So, and once the answer is retrieved, it will show from which page it has been retrieved and what was the answers to it. So this is how editable. At the same time, we are giving a flexibility of full citations. Then we are having a cross document chat, where the user can ask any kind of questions. And this is the matrix. So matrix is what can be used in order to synthesize the IC memo, because it has all the documents, different set of questions, let's say 200 questions and 200 documents, then 200 cross 200 total grid will be searched, which can be downloaded also as a CSV. And then IC memo is synthesizing this matrix to give a well cited answers about it: company executive summary, company deal overview, financials, and everything is well cited from where, which page number it has been retrieved. Let's say I have clicked page number something, and this is now cross document chat is where I can ask certain questions. Let's say I'm asking certain questions around it, which is a we can in natural language question answer retrieve across all the documents in the workspace and across the past deal in a firm memory. and each answers is well cited. This is what the analyst ask, kind of like this is the what ask of the different analysts. See, here I have asked certain questions, it has classified internal something, we are using some classification of questions, and it has giving all the answers. If something is not present, it is directly saying that we have no evidence, so I'm not able to answer it. So there is no as such made up of things is also happening. So yeah, so this is all about the platform. We are tackling both investment and the diligence, and we can upload here. I can say, as showing that here uploading of the documents is happening, and everything is kind of like well cited. And if something is not able to parse or something is not able to uh, get from the Edgar, it will say directly failed, and we can also delete that particular thing. So yeah, this is all about the platform. There are different agents, 11 different agents, fully cited answers, and byte by byte replayable. And yeah, thank you everyone for this opportunity.